Okay guys, we're trying to figure out which way to put the ladder, whether to go this way or this way. And I think we've decided to put it this way because I want all my pretties to show up there. And if I do decide to drop a little chandelier, I can do so right in the middle there and it will look interesting. So anyway, that's kind of how we're planning to hang it.
All right, so what you see here is where the chandelier once hung. Obviously not in the right place. And so what we've opted to do is we purchased a porcelain pull chain grounded plug. We are gonna put that there so that will allow us to be able to plug in Christmas lights, party lights, whatever you may, to jazz that ladder up throughout the seasons.
So going over supplies, you'll need some chain of choice. I decided to go with bronze. You'll need some of these hooks. They're like little cup hooks. I just got a box of those. And then you'll need some eye rings. And pretty much that's it to get the ladder hung. So we've placed the ladder where we want to hang it, and now we're just centering it so we know exactly where to hang it up top. All right, so we have placed and centered our ladder where we want it to go. And then we have a laser tape measure, and you can see we've placed it where we're gonna put our chain. And then you can see it points directly up, and then that is how you can mark where you need to put your first eye hook. Okay, to start, here's the ladder, and I have decided to put one little cup hook here and then one right here. We wanted to go here, but you can't because there's a screw right here. So we're gonna go right there. And my husband's just gonna do a pilot screw, and then we'll, screw this right into the wood. Easy peasy. And just be careful not to split the wood. Went in there nice and tight. Two down, two more to go. All right, so we've got our cup hooks in, and now we're just gonna take the chain up to the ceiling using our laser measure, and then we'll get this ladder hung. All right, we just got the ladder hung. We still have to cut the remainder of the chains off right over there. But I didn't want the ladder to cover my pretties right there. So there's plenty of room up top to decorate for the seasons. I can add baskets, lanterns, foliage, lights, whatever you may, and it won't interfere with this. So bingo, I got exactly what I was looking for, and I'm loving it. And I also want to point out that the cup hooks we used with the anchors, for those of you that are worried about putting holes in your ceilings, the hole is literally 1/8 of an inch, so it would be super easy to patch and repair. Now, if you want to put heavy stuff on your ladder, I recommend going to Lowe's and getting one that can carry like 35, 40 pounds, whatever, however much you want to put up there. Go look at the different anchor screws and hooks that you can get. But I don't plan to put a lot of heavy stuff up there, so these will work out just fine, and I've done this in several of my homes. So, just a tip.
Hi guys, happy Monday. I'm actually filming this Sunday early evening, but I wanted to share with you my new dining room. I have some new curtains. I've got a chandelier, a candle chandelier, and we've installed the ladder. Now guys, I decided to keep my ladder super simple for summer. My main focus this weekend was get curtains up, get it accessorized, hang my candle chandelier. I added my new furniture, which I'm gonna show you in just a second. And I love this room. I do, I love it. It's exactly what I set out for, which is laid back, comfortable, and cozy. So without further ado, let me flip the camera and I'll show you what I've done. Hey guys, I just ordered these Flameless LED candles on Amazon for my chandelier that's hanging off my ladder. So I'm about to unbox these, pop some batteries in them, and also these come with a remote. I think there's 12 of them in here. So let me unbox these and let's see what we have. Well, so far I'm impressed. I think there's 3, 6, 9, 12 candles, plus it comes with this remote. And this will be perfect for my chandelier. All right guys, I am loving this candle. It truly looks like a real candle flickering. So I'm gonna go and wrap the other ones, but what a great buy. Love it. Guys, how cool is this? Check out the remote. You can put them on for 2 hours like a timer, 6 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. You can do candle mode, light mode, you can dim it, you can brighten it. I mean, how cool is this? Watch. And then back on. Easy peasy. Loving these. So guys, check out the little flicker up at the top. These candles are just awesome. Okay guys, as you come into the dining room, these are my new pieces. As you guys know, I got that mirror from Bassett Furniture when we first moved in. And as much as I love it, I wasn't fond of it just leaned up against the wall. But now I've got to tell you, I love it. I got this new piece of furniture from Home Goods last week, and I paid, let's see, how much did I pay for it? I paid $3.99, and I absolutely love it. It's not something I would normally pick out. I decided to branch out and do something a little different. And to this, I added a Tuscan element with this vase here, and then I made an arrangement out of it, which I think is pretty. And I added a bird set in amongst some greenery with some grapes and artichokes. And then I found this really cute light with an Edison light bulb in it at Home Goods last week. I love it. I felt like it kind of added a farmhouse modern kind of feel to it. And then when I was at Pier 1 Imports, I found these really cute lanterns. And I thought, wow, these would be cute for fall. You know, I could style them and put pumpkins in there and so forth. But in going with my Tuscan theme, I decided to add grapes and artichokes. And don't you love how that light shines through? It just lights up everything that's in there. And then when you move over here, I just kept it simple and put a bird in there with some greenery. And then over here, I added 2 huge candle holders from Home Goods. The larger one was $39, the smaller one was $29. I hated to spend it, but you know what? I knew it was gonna be a really pretty piece in here, so I popped for it. And then I got this little greenery in a basket and kind of going with the farmhouse feel. And then I added 2 yellow candles. And then we have a dining room table that seats 8, and I decided to leave 2 of the chairs off, and I just put one there, and I plopped 2 pillows on them. And I loved the buttons on these. Thought they were super pretty. Gave them a little karate chop and called it a day. Now, typically with these chairs, you would put them on each end of the table, but I decided I wanted to sit by my hubby when we have dinner and then look at our 4 girls. So I really liked doing it different and doing it that way. And then of course, here is the candle chandelier, which I'm absolutely in love with. And here's the ladder. And I just threw those up there. I'm gonna do something way better, but my main goal was get a chandelier hanging in the appropriate spot. So I love it. And here are those plates. I just plopped a garden ball in there. And I'm liking the blue. The blue kind of ties in with my rooster picture over here, which I love. And then over here, here is that new piece that I got last week. And I'll take you over there and show you how I styled it. Now here's that piece. And then I've got kind of a farmhousey terrarium kind of style lantern. And then I have another one of those really cool lights with an Edison light bulb inside. And over here I've got 2 candle holders that I picked up from Pier 1 Imports last week, and I just threw a cute cotton greenery, like, I don't know, wreath around it. And then I picked up this candle at Ross, and it's called Gardenia, and it smells so good, so good. But I really like how this all looks together. Oh, and I put 3 candle holders in there to kind of elevate the candles. And I kind of wanted to keep a lot of the lights down so you could see how cozy it was in here. But I am sure loving these candles. They're just gorgeous. And I love how they cast a flickering up there on the ladder. So realistic. All right, guys, well, this is gonna wrap up my little video. More on this another day, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And it just goes to show you don't have to have a fancy schmancy dining room to enjoy it. Do whatever makes your heart happy, and this makes my heart happy. So anyway, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.